Tips from DriverDTrains. Use JMRI throttles to control your locomotives. Hey Scratchy, where have you been? I wanted to tell everyone to check out our latest video on using and customizing JMRI throttles. It's loaded with tons of useful tips and tricks. You're on vacation? But I need your help running some trains. Talk to your avatar? What avatar? Scratchy, you haven't been messing with the AI again, have you? Oh no. No, 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 no. All aboard! And thanks for watching.